Hello, welcome to week 4. I want to walk you through, I'm not in the center of that circle. It's probably going to drive somebody crazy. Can't look at it either. I want to walk you through week 4, give you an idea of what we're working on. I moved status reports to the beginning of the week because I want more time to react and respond and think like, okay, as I'm planning ahead for the following week, I want to know what you're thinking. So there's status report. You've got a performance assessment on percentage growth this week, and then we're going to get into linear and exponential growth and start playing with spreadsheets. For many of you, linear and exponential growth will be a review. I don't know how many of you are new to spreadsheets. So you want to think about working on both of those pieces, just because the linear and exponential stuff might not be new for you. It might be new for you to think about them in terms of using spreadsheets to do that work. A couple highlights for you. I will show you this here in a second, but I had some difficulty finding additional choices and options for you. Jeremy's got some amazing videos that walk you through this step-by-step, tons of resources. Like, I know that the track that I've provided for you to learn on is going to work for most of you, but it doesn't feel great for me that I wasn't able to find additional resources. So I've asked for volunteers, if you find additional things, if you would put them in this optional discussion. There's no points for this. This is just an opportunity for you. If you find something useful to share it, would ask that you would do that. So let's tick through these. As I mentioned, status report. I'm going to have you do that on Monday. And then your performance assessment, this format is just like the other one. It's essentially, hey, solve the problem. This one has 3 parts. And then you need to convince us that you understand it. And I want to highlight, a few of you gave me video responses where you walked through it. I had an audio response where they submitted, the student submitted the written work and then just hit record on like voice memos or whatever on their phone and then submitted the audio. So I was able to look at their problem while listening to them explain it. Super cool. And lots of other options too. So really moving toward you demonstrating you understand beyond just showing the evidence of your work. Really interested in that this week. And then, as I mentioned, 2 different practice opportunities. The videos, one for linear growth, one for exponential growth, are long. They're like an hour long. And that's because Jeremy's going through the linear growth stuff, but also getting you engaged with spreadsheets. You're getting pretty accustomed to this format by now. If you're an option C person, if you think about these topics and go, yeah, I've done some stuff with spreadsheets, and yeah, I understand linear growth, I would recommend that you jump right to the practice set. And then on one side of your screen, you have the practice set open. On the other side of your screen, you have a spreadsheet open, and you attempt to answer all the questions using a spreadsheet. If you feel comfortable doing that and you can move around a spreadsheet, then that's great. We have some videos. I have some sort of additional spreadsheet stuff if you feel like what you got from Jeremy's video is not enough. These are focused on math functions and formulas and how to do some kind of moving in and around spreadsheets. And then the chapter in the book is really good. There's some great help there to help you understand linear, exponential, and then one more type of growth we'll get into next week called logistic growth. Again, you're going to submit a Trello card. How are we doing on time? 1:18. I love these 5-minute video updates because it makes me go faster. All right, exponential growth, same format. And I make this same apology. Like, I had difficulty finding practice problems. This second video from Jeremy is also another long one. It's about an hour, but it's really good, especially if you watch the video and follow along. We've got his notes included up there. If you watch the video and follow along and pause and rewind, it can be really, really useful for you. So that's what the week looks like. This is an optional discussion, right? Where if you find some resources that you want to share those. I will be grading your exam from last week, hopefully today. I'm hoping to get that back to you early next week. As always, stay in touch. If you need something that you're not getting, please let me know. Have a great week 4.